Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on emotional intelligence and empathy, and the question is, how does perception checking help? We have a diverse team at work, different backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives. I sometimes struggle to understand what people mean by what they say. They share their thoughts and feelings with vague words and equivocal language. Any ideas of how I could help everybody understand each other better? Well, feelings are internal reactions, and we can tell what people are feeling only from what they tell us and from their overt actions. Overt actions include such things as smiles and frowns and shouts, whispers, tears, and laughter. When other people describe their feelings to us, we can usually accept their feelings to be what they say they are. But if other people express their feelings indirectly, such as through sarcasm, or non-verbally, such as through a frown, we often need to clarify how they actually feel. A basic rule in interpersonal communication and emotional intelligence is that before you respond to another person's feelings, you need to check to make sure you really know what the other person actually feels. An effective way to check whether or not you accurately understand how a person is feeling is through a perception check. A perception check has three parts: a description of the behavior you've noticed, what was said or done, at least two possible interpretations of that behavior, and then a request for clarification, how to interpret the behavior. This communication construct helps the conversation keep going and gives the other person the opportunity to clarify their perspective and for us to empathize. Hey, I really like this three-step communication construct. Easy to remember and easy to apply. So when you said, for instance, when people frown, I could ask if they disapprove of the idea or if they don't feel well. Is that what you are suggesting? Hey, I did it. Did you notice? Nailed it. Thank you for watching this video blog on emotional intelligence and empathy. So the question was, how does perception checking help? Perception checking is a quick and easy way to improve understanding, support empathetic behavior, and enhance emotional intelligence. If we try to understand what people think and feel, we will be able to enjoy honest conversations, incredible results, and positive relationships. If you and your coworkers could benefit from an engaging presentation on emotional intelligence, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide an interactive presentation that will improve your emotional intelligence.